Want this? Then I got you covered. First import the thing you want the line on, then copy it and send it over the main video. Then press the overlay and click adjustments. Then set saturation to -50. Click curves. Set the one in the bottom left to the top left, and set the top right to the bottom right. Press video and then masks. Choose film strip. Then adjust it like this. Then click the keyframe icon here. Go to the end like this. Then make another keyframe at the end and click on it. Then adjust the line like this. Done.